Hi friends, welcome to Trending Stocks. Currently we are in the new multi-bagger recommendation video of this week. So the coming week we can expect the Sensex and Nifty rebound after a major correction. So we have to take the advantage. All our short-term recommendations and all our multi-bagger recommendations will perform during this time. So please try to hold all the recommendations, and also recently whatever companies posted Q3 results are excellent. So the coming days that will reflect in the stock price. So currently we are going to discuss about multi-bagger recommendation video of this week. So the stock is Savita Oil Technologies Ltd. Currently it is trading at 1186.75 rupees per share. The stock is listed in both NSE and BSE. It is a potential small cap and we can expect 1750 within the span of 3 to 4 months. After that we will take out our asset and we will hold our profit in the stock to continue growing because it is a wealth creator. So this is the second largest lubricant manufacturer in India, and also the company is into the power generation, that is called as renewable power generation, and also the company is into the FMCG segment as well. So I'll explain you all those things. The company is having variety of product. They are the second largest manufacturer next to Castrol in India. But while we are coming to the market capitalization of the company, it is too behind the Castrol, and it's the reason I told it's very undervalued stock. Currently it is trading less than its potential and we are expecting a bonus within 3 to 5 months time. I will explain you all those things. So this is the right time we have to accumulate Savita Oil Technologies Ltd. So let us go into the fundamental. Savita Oil Technologies Ltd is an Indian automotive, industrial lubricant and petroleum specialty oil production company with it headquartered in Mumbai, Maharashtra. The company was founded in 1961 and the company is having subsidiaries Savita Polymers Limited, Solaris International FZD, Nevet Investment and Trading Company Limited, and the company is having 500 plus employees are there, and the company is having 3 fully automated plants are there. So we will go into all those details. While we are going to the company's reserve and surplus, you can see here company's authorized share capital remains same for past 5 years. It is only 14 crore and current face value per share is 10. It means the company is having only 1.4 crore shares, outstanding shares are there. Surely as long as the company is a performing company, surely they will try to increase the authorized share capital. So that's the reason I told surely we can expect a bonus issue. In case such bonus issue, that will be minimum 2:1 or 3:1 because the company's outstanding shares are very less and surely they will try to increase the authorized share capital. Before that there will be a huge rally we can expect in the similar way where the SRF rally was happened. So you can see here company's reserve and surplus in March 2017 was only 646 crore and it got increased to 726 in March 2018, and in March 2019 it becomes 837 crore, and in March 2020 it is 854 crore, and in March 2021 you can see here 1077 crore. Company is a profit making company and the company is paying dividend. You can see here every year company is paying dividend. In 2020 company paid 20 rupees per share, and in September 2021 company paid 15 rupees per share. After paying dividend, company is increasing their reserve and surplus also. So you can imagine how much their profit will be, how much their sales will be. The company is increasing their sales year to year, quarter to quarter. That you can see here. In March 2017, company's sales was 1497 crore, and in March 2021 it becomes 1912 crore. And while we are seeing to the company's profit margin, you can see here 93 crore profit in March 2017, and in 2021 it becomes 223 crore profit. You can see here in between March 2021 and March 2020 there was a minor fall in sale was happened, but while we are coming to company's net profit it got almost 3 times. So the product got higher demand and they focused on sales where they are having profit. And while we are coming to the company's promoter holding, you can see here gradually they are increasing their holding. Before it was 71.75% and right now it is 71.81%. This is a sign why I told is company will consider bonus on coming months. It's a sign of that company is trying to bring their promoter holding to its maximum, which is only 75% they can hold. And mutual fund, they are holding 7.75% and foreign institutional investors, they are holding 1.73%. So the total you can see here 72% is holding by promoter and 7.45% holding by mutual fund and 1.73% holding by foreign institutional investors. Altogether it is 80.75. The remaining is only 19.25% stake is there. That is very minimal because already I told you the total authorized share capital is only 14 crore and the face value per share is 10. It means the total number of shares are only 1.4 crore shares. Out of that only 19.25% shares are with general public. And while we are coming to the current market capitalization of the company, you can see here only 1613 crore and the book value per share is 789.88 rupees per share. And when we are coming to the BSE in the last trading session, it was traded 1167.40 rupees per share and total number of shares traded are 2813 numbers shares are traded. Out of that 59.76% taken delivery. And you can see the earning per share is 40.42 during last quarter and the previous quarter it was 55.63. And you can see the sales growth between September 2021 and June 2021. In June 2021 it was 605.62 crore sales and in September 2021 it becomes 690.05 crore. So every quarter the company is increasing their sales and number of shares are very less and the total potential of the company while we are comparing the current market capitalization is very less and free floating shares are very less, very minimal. While we are coming to the NSE, you can see that in the last trading session it was traded 1186.75 rupees per share and total number of shares traded in NSE are 16,733. Out of that 64.12% shares are taken delivery. So the company's shares having high demand. So this is the right time we have to accumulate the share because only limited shares are there. So we have to keep on accumulating the share right now and we should hold it and plan to hold it for 3 to 4 months. Surely within that time there will be a good news and surely it will move towards the breakout zone of 1750 and that will lead and we will take out our asset at that time and we will hold our profit to grow. So let us go into the company's website. So currently we are in the company's website and you can see here what are their company's products. Companies is manufacturing transformer oil. There are different brands are there: Transol, Bitransol, Transol Synthetic 100 and white oil liquid, paraffins, lubricating oils, petroleum jellies, oxidized waxes, wax emulsions, cable filling components and optic fiber components, renewable energy. These are their business areas. So while we are going to the company's facilities, company is having 3 facilities. Company's latest plant in Silli, Silvassa is fully automated state-of-the-art manufacturing unit that started operation in 2013. So before that company was having 2 manufacturing facilities. One was located in Navi Mumbai and another one was there in Dadra. So the third one is already I told you it is in Silvassa. So there are 3 plants are there and company has so far set up number of windmills ranging in capacities from 350 kilowatt to 1650 kilowatt at different sites in the state of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. This is an ongoing process and and Savita continues to explore new opportunities in this field. So they are into the renewable energy as well. While we are going to the company's history, 1961 company was founded, and 1969 Savita built the second manufacturing unit at Fibre, and 1976 Savita Research and Development Department was set up. In 1989 Savita set up another manufacturing unit at Mahat, and 1992 Savita Polymers Limited was incorporated, and in 1994 maiden public issue of equity share was proposed, and in 1994 launched the entire range of automotive and industrial lubricant. 1997 accredited with ISO 9001 certification, and in 1998 expanded manufacturing and petroleum specialities by setting up the third manufacturing unit at Silvassa. 1999 commissioned the first windmill of the company in Maharashtra, and in 2002 achieved the government recognized Star Export House status, and they are exporting over 75 countries since 2002. And in 2007 company launched SAVSOL, Savita own brand lubricating oil. In 2009 company renamed Savita Oil Technologies Ltd. In 2013 company set up the third fully automated state-art manufacturing unit at Silvassa. So you can see the growth of the company, the gradual growth and potential of the company. Company is keep on growing, and the company's business areas are getting increased, and company is keep on adding their plan. It means the company is having high demand for their product. And while we are going to company's product, you can see here transformer oil company is manufacturing, and the transformer oil specification you can see here. So only few companies are manufacturing transformer oils. So these are mainly used in oil type transformers, and also white oils are manufactured from highly refined base oil, consist of saturated paraffinic and cycloparaffinic hydrocarbon. So they are manufacturing white mineral oils. So they are having two grades. The company is manufacturing white oils, and you can see here SAVONOLs and TECHNOL. There are two grades are there. In that itself there are different specifications are there. TECHNOL 5, TECHNOL 8, TECHNOL 10, 15, 20, 30, 40, 60, 70, 80. SAVONOL grades you can see here light, SAVONOL 10, SAVONOL 15, SAVONOL 20, SAVONOL 30, SAVONOL 40, and also the heavy you can see here SAVONOL 60, 70, 80. So they are specialized in the technology how they build the lubricating oils. They are having variety of specification for different applications in the industry, and they are having the lubricant, different lubricants based on its application. Automotive field itself, engine oils, petroleum gasoline engines oil, diesel engine oils, automatic transmission fluid, gearbox fluid, brake fluid, and hydrostatic fluid, tractors and two-stroke engine oils, industrial hydraulic oils, compressor oil, gas compressor oil, gear oils, bearing oils, circulating system oil, refrigerator compressor oils, steam and gas turbine oils, aviation industry they are making oils, marine field they are making oil. Different types of oil they are manufacturing based on their industrial requirement. So this is a reason the company is having high demand, because they are specialized as much as in their field. So already I told you Savita is second largest manufacturer of petroleum lubricant in India, and they are manufacturing petroleum jellies. They are supplying to pharmaceutical and personal care products. They are into the FMCG segments also. They are having different variety, and they have mentioned all the specifications of that applications. Usually in our life mostly we are using petroleum jellies. So these petroleum jellies are manufactured, at least some of them are manufactured by Savita. The characteristics are mentioned here, and company is manufacturing waxes and wax derivatives. You can see here different type of waxes. Company is manufacturing HP100, HP5000 and P100, P1000F, BW300. Different standard company is manufacturing. So already I told you whatever they are manufacturing, they are specialized in that, and they are having their own R&D departments are there. They are keep on upgrading their product. They are keep on increasing their product range. So they are trying to reduce the competition in the market by increasing number number of products and also specializing in their products. Always they are trying to maintain the product range based on the application they are having in the industry. And also the company is into the telecommunication components. You can see here telecommunication components, that means the copper cable, optical cables, all these cables having layer of protecting oil. You can see here the components fill void in polyethylene insulated and sheathed telephone cables. Their basic function is to prevent moisture preventing into the cables in case of damages to the cable sleeves. So their products are used as a raw material in cable manufacturing. They are having different grades are there. Already I told you, wherever they supply material, they are specialized in that based on the applications of that product. Currently they are into the renewable energy. They are having different plants. 3 megawatt wind power project in Maharashtra, 2.5 megawatt wind power project in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, 2.5 megawatt wind power project in Tirupur, Tamil Nadu. So the company is a growing company. It's an excellent company. They are into the different areas, and all the areas their products are highly demanded, and company is profit making company, and the company's current market capitalization is very less while we compare to company's potential. And company's authorized share capital, already I told you, it's only 14 crore, and we can expect a bonus on coming months, and number of shares are very less because of that. So this is the right time we have to accumulate Savita Oil Technologies Ltd. I hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, thank you very much and kindly stay tuned.